For today's video, I'm going to make this headband. To make a headband like this, I'm going to use Caron Allday cotton yarn in watermelon and grass colors. And the crochet hook is 4 mm. I also need some beads, and I am also going to have a 2 mm crochet hook. To begin, I'm going to use these two colors together. I'm going to use the 4 mm crochet hook, going to make a chain 20 with both the colors. Now to begin the crocheting the headband with the beads, I made one more chain and pull it up a little more. Now I'm going to use my bead and use my smaller hook to push the yarn through that bead. Now our beads are on the yarn. Now I'm going to insert my hook into that both loops. Just pull it tight around the hook. Then yarn over hook, go through both the loops all at once. Just a chain. Then make one more chain and pull it up and spread it to the both sides, and again I'm going to put the bead on the loop. Then again take the hook, then tighten the yarn around the hook, then yarn over hook and go through both the yarns, both the loop. You can tighten it a little bit so it won't look like you got lost. Then make one more chain. Then in that chain, make the loops go a little longer, and we are going to put the beads on them. Then pull through, then make one more chain, then make it little longer. I hope you got the idea of doing this one. It is important to tighten the yarn around the hook, otherwise you will get a loose bead. It will be like a sagging to one side. Continue in this way about 17.5 inches or 18 inches according to the size of your head. Probably behind the ear, from right side to behind the ear to the left side will be enough. Then we make a longer tail to tie it in the back. so it is customizable. But we are going to make some edging, so don't worry about these colors not coming in the same side. If you can't make it in the green on one side and the pink on the other side all the time, don't worry about it, because we can make an edging, then it doesn't matter. It looks like this one after a few more rows. Now I'm going to finish with the beading. I'm going to make another 20 chains. Now we can cut the yarn by leaving a long tail. Pull the yarn through the last loop, tighten it. This is done. Right side is like this and the wrong side is like this. For this one, I used different colors on both edges. This is a very skinny one. So I'm going to attach the pink yarn to this side. Have a slip stitch with the yarn on the hook, then bring it through a loop in the chain space where we are going to use it as a tie. Attach the pink yarn to one side with the slip stitch, then chain one to lock it in place, then go ahead and slip stitch to the next stitch so it will stay in place. Now go to the base of that beaded stitch, make another slip stitch, then make a chain 3, now make a slip stitch to that chain in to the headband in here, then again chain 3, and right after the bead make a slip stitch, chain 3, slip stitch, repeat like this, chain 3, slip stitch all the way across here. Then I will show you how to finish, how to do the next round. This has only chains. I'm going to do a little more in here because why not. Now we chain 1 and turn, then I'm going to make 5 double crochets into that chain 3 loop. That's a shell. So in the first 5 double crochet, after that in the next one we are making a slip stitch, then again in the next one 5 double crochet, 3, 4 and 5, then slip stitch, repeat that one all across. Now we finished that side, and that last one for me was a shell, so I'm going to go into the next stitch and slip stitch there and make a few more slip stitch. Then I'm going to cut the yarn. lock this one in place. Now we go to the other side. Attach the green yarn. I'm going to attach the green yarn in this side and go all the way here and do the shell stitch and come back. So I'm going to have a slip stitch on my hook. Take it off. Go in one of the chains here. Bring that one up. Insert the hook in the next stitch. Slip stitch. Okay, one slip stitch again. Now we are at the base of that beads. Give that yarn tail out. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then slip stitch into the headband part here. Maybe a little hard, but you can do it. Got it. 1, 2, 3 chains and slip stitch. Repeat this one all across. Now to finish it off, I'm going to put one more bead into the end of the tie. I'm going to tie these 2 yarn tails together. I'm going to knot it 2 times. Then cut very close. Do the same thing to the other end too. I put one bead in the end here. Then we can put one in here. That's it. How do you like it? Please tell me in the comments.